Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the full moon edition of the Mission to Moonphase. This is the Snoopy edition. So if we take a quick look around the box, you can see some facts about the moon, Snoopy, and around to the bottom, where is it? Around to the bottom, just Swatch Omega. And we can slide this off. It's just like the other original 11 moon swatches. Opens up, but here we have a Mission to the Moonphase and some information about the watch. I enjoy the Snoopy, it's a cute thing. Okay. And then we have the warranty card, the instructions, the advertisement for the other moon phases, or sorry, for the original 11. What else we got in there? Customer care and directions for use. Go a little slower here in case anybody's lost theirs. And there's the other languages. And now, let's take a look at the watch. So again, I really wish they had better boxes for these because it'd be nice to store them. So this has the Velcro band. I should take that off there. So here we have the Velcro band and the watch. Here's the back of the watch. Where's the focus? Come on. There it is. And just to make sure that the focus came through here, there it is. And if it hasn't been returned or tampered with, it'll have this protective cover on it. We can remove that. There we have it. I think this is a brilliant, nice fashion piece. And also with the secret message, if we hit it with a black light, let's see if I can get this on here. It will say, there it is. The stars come out there and it says, "I can't sleep without a nightlight." This is supposed to also have a better crystal than the original 11, so this one's supposed to be a little more scratch resistant. However, I'm still going to put a protective screen on it just to make sure we can prolong that a little bit. Start her up. Thank you for watching this short unboxing of the Mission to the Moonphase Full Moon Edition. If you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.